If you want to know how to get free traffic from Facebook, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a video every time I upload one. I publish videos every week and I always create content that is going to help you make a success online. Now, this is video number 3 in a series of 10 videos that I am making to teach you how to get free Facebook traffic from Facebook. And by free traffic from Facebook, I mean basically how you can use your Facebook profile, your Facebook account to make money. Now, in the first 2 videos of the series, I showed you how to optimize your Facebook profile. In this video, number 3, I am going to show you how to post on Facebook to attract your audience. Let's go. So, once your profile is optimized, obviously the next step in this strategy is you are going to have to start posting, if possible, every day on Facebook, right? You can give it a rest on Sunday, maybe at the weekend, but really, ideally, you want to be posting every day. So now the way to do this is you're going to need to post different kinds of posts. I see some people on Facebook, constantly posting the link to whatever they are promoting. Now that is not the way that you are going to get to attract people to you, right? At least it's not the best way. The thing you've got to do is kind of build up valuable content and rotate between different kinds of content. So in every single post, you do have to think, well, what is the point? You can't just post for the sake of posting. There always has to be a kind of, something you want to lead people to, right? There has to be something that's achieved with every single post. So some posts, what the goal you want to achieve is to have engagement. Other posts, the goal is to get people to ask you, reach out for info. Other posts are to sort of build trust, right? So really, generally, the way when I used to do this, the way I used to do it, and the way I was taught how to do it is, you rotate between posts that teach you, that share with people some value, that help people out with common questions that they have. Then posts that show your results, your wins. Now that can be any kind of win that you have. I'll show you examples on my profile in a minute. And then other posts sort of more to get to build trust and get engagement, like lifestyle posts, the screenshots or stuff like that. Not screenshot, but lifestyle shots. You go out for a day with your family and something nice happens and you take a nice picture or stuff like that. So I'm just going to go deeper into this a little bit. Now, recently, one of my very latest posts was a typical example of a value post, right? So I posted this because even though I'm not doing this method very actively, I am still present on Facebook and I do still post because I have an audience there and I want to help them out, right? So for instance, in this post, my whole point there was to, what the goal was to give value to people, try to give them some simple steps on how to succeed with affiliate marketing. It was the end of the year 2020. I kind of wanted to share the lessons I've learned in the hope that it's going to help some people, right? Also, my goal was to get people to reach out to me because, of course, once people, reach out to me, and they enter my world and they come onto my email list or come into my Facebook group, then I can help them more, right? So basically, this was value posts are usually quite long posts, right? That are going to help people with what they are struggling with. So you need to think, what is your audience struggling with? What are the common problems that they have? And as you grow online, as you begin to understand things, or you find things that you know yeah, you find you basically you share things that help you, right? um let's just say that again, if I take the example of the health niche, and you are promoting products to help lose weight, right? I'm guessing off the top of my head that one of the common problems that people face is that, it's difficult to resist eating certain foods, like, I don't know, maybe chocolate, or I don't know, I'm just saying this like that. So one of the things you could say in a post is, how to deal with, my best tips to deal with food cravings when you are trying to lose weight, or something like that, right? And then you share something that is going to help people, either because you've had the experience yourself that it helped you, or because you've helped people. Well, you've coached people, you've had students, you've had good results like that, you've found this helpful stuff like that. So for instance, for me, in my niche, the make money online with affiliate marketing niche, I know that people struggle to succeed, to get results, right? So here I shared a post on, listen, these are the simple steps you have to do. It's not that difficult when you know how, and this is, this is what you do. Okay, so I put a few things on what they have to do, and then I told them a little bit about me, about my journey, about how I can say now what, how I found out all this. And then again, I put a call to action. If you feel stuck and you want my help, please join my Facebook group or reach out to me on Messenger. So always make sure that you tell people what to do in your posts, okay? Give what we call a call to action, okay? Tell them what to do, because otherwise people are, oh yeah, that's great, but they don't know what to do. They don't know how to reach out to you. Yeah, you've always got to assume that people don't know what to do next. So that's the example of a value post, right? So I would suggest you put maybe 2 a week, right, of something like that. In your posts, when they're long, make sure you break them up. Make sure that you don't put massively long paragraphs. So press return twice, because otherwise Facebook doesn't put that space. Put emojis, that helps. I know it's long, but it helps. If you don't know how to, bold some text. If you don't know how to bold text, that's my most popular video on my YouTube channel. Just check my Facebook tutorials. There is a video teaching you how to bold text on Facebook. It's dead easy. So basically, do that. Break it up. Put emojis. Make it easy to read, because keep in mind that people's attention span is not long. So you have to make it easier for them to digest your content, okay? Then I almost always put a picture, again, that I make in Canva, like I told you in my other video, video number 1, about how to create the banner, the covers and stuff. I go to Canva and I quickly make a picture. It's not compulsory, but it helps if there's a picture. So that's the example of a value post, and I'll give you the example of a result. This is a typical example of a lifestyle post, right? It's just, I'm sharing a bit of my life. Yeah, it's nearly Christmas, took a picture of the Christmas tree, there's the presents there. I say I'm exhausted, try to get a few laughs there. I wish my audience happy Christmas, and that's it. And the whole point of that, as you can see, this got a lot of engagement, right? So that's good, because that kind of tells Facebook, the Facebook algorithm, that I'm kind of active. People like my content, they like, they love, they put little comments. Yeah, so that's typical, you know. Along the year you can do that. As I said, when you go out, you can take a picture of something, share something personal. People love to know about your life, right? You share little bits about your life, you know, whatever you're comfortable with, but stuff like that. And the purpose of that is to get engagement, to build up engagement. Okay, so these are that. And then I had, there you go, there's another example. Actually, I've got quite a few recent examples. This is a results post, okay? I actually made a post here where, you know, I say, you know, celebrate all wins, and there I took screenshots of various results, right? My YouTube channel is growing. My Facebook group is growing. It doesn't have to be commissions, right? Of course it can be, and that's great. You know, I also share, there you go, there I made a commission, there I made another commission, there I made another commission. But there I got some nice comments on my Facebook, on my YouTube channel, you know, people saying thank you, you know, saying I helped them out. These are all wins, right? People are way too focused on wins that are money wins. In the beginning especially, you don't necessarily make that many sales, but you have small wins, right? And you just share those. And I, for one, believe that you should continue sharing wins, sharing all wins, even when you are making very regular money. To me, you know, it's not only about making more commissions, making more money. It's also about, everything else growing, right? Because yes, I can make commissions, I can make sales, but if everything else is not growing, if the places where I publish my content are not growing, I don't have a business. My mentor always says, you know, then you have commissions. You don't have a business, you have commissions. And that's not the same thing, right? You know, a business is something that you're really building up, and definitely share all the wins that you have, you know. Yeah, so that, I hope, gives you a good example of how it works, how you can post, rotate this. So maybe put wins once or twice a week, put value posts 2-3 times a week, you know, teach something that you learn. And then lifestyle posts, you know, I don't know, once or twice a week as well. And you can have a week, you know, you can have a day when you don't post, right? Many people ask, what can I post? What can I post in the value posts, especially? The lifestyle posts are fairly easy, right? And the wins, if you don't have any wins at all that you can share, you can also always share wins of people who are promoting the same product as you. You can always share that kind of stuff, right? But for the value posts, of course, sometimes people struggle with that. What am I going to talk about, you know? But the fact is that what you can do is you can share anything that you are learning, right? You know, maybe you're reading a book. You probably, if you trying to, you know, you wanting to make money online, you learning how to do that. You have a course that is teaching you, at least I hope you have a course that is teaching you how to do that properly. So, you know, when you learn things, you share them with people. It's as simple as that. And again, if you're in a niche like, not the make money online niche, if you are promoting a weight loss product, promoting a fitness product, you know, anything really, even if you're promoting, you know, physical products on Amazon. I don't know, let's say you're in the fishing niche, right? and you're promoting all kinds of fishing equipment, then, you know, share what you bought and how it helped you and how you went fishing with it, and this one worked better than the other one, or you found this, how to get more fish to bite. I don't know, anything, right? anything that you learn, share it. Just share it. Okay, if you are helping people, again, you're promoting a product to lose weight, and people get back to you and say this helped me, or I found out that when I use it in that way it helps me more, then share that. Does that make sense? Just share what you find that helpful and what you see helps other people. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this one.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Before you go, don't forget, this was video number 3 in a series of 10. Facebook free marketing only. It's a strategy that only works if you implement all the bits of the puzzle, okay? So stay tuned for video number 4 that will be released next Monday. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, either post them in the comments below or click the link in the pinned comment below to join my Facebook group, and I'm in there every day and I will help you out. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.